All right, peace, y'all. 24th of September. We got just about a month, and I think we're doing pretty good. Radiator done. D for done. Right? A, B, C, D, done. Done. In the can. Got a little Don Henley going. There's this whole big old D thing going on right now. Right? Got her going. She's good and solid. And you can lift the go-kart by that bad boy. I like it. So we'll get to pump and hoses and stuff. We got to get motor off. It's just sitting there right now anyway. Butterflies aren't even on it. Get it off. Pressure. Do a pressure check. Make sure she's holding there. This engine was literally, I think it's got maybe 20 minutes of runtime on it. New crank, new piston, new everything. But it hasn't been on the cart and running in 3 years. So we'll go through and check it all out. Make sure everything's kosher. Then we'll get it back on, get everything put together, linkage on, and then we'll go ahead and run hoses, water pump, all that stuff. Temp block with the gauge if we get time. You know, if not, we'll run this thing with no gauge. It doesn't matter. Don't matter. We just want to get out and shake it down, make sure it rolls and turns and all that kind of stuff. Next, the last big thing we have to do is get a pipe to fit the cart and get the silencer mounted and stuff. The rest are all 5-minute jobs, as our buddy Johnny West would say. Bunch of 5-minute jobs. Got to bleed the rear system. We'll throw a bleed on the front. We have to note where the kingpin pills are set because they're numbered. Check our manual and make sure we go to the neutral setting because they do have positive. They are tipped in on the top, positive camber. So we want them straight up and down to start with. We want everything neutral to start with. And then we'll start adjusting stuff. We don't want to start, we're not going to be on new tires. Everything will be fresh and new. So we'll get very good feedback right away, right? So once we get motor back, everything going there, we'll get hoses and water pump. We got to get a battery pack, place for the battery pack down here and run some wires and a switch and all that kind of happy stuff. But I think we're going to make it. Knock wood. Knock wood. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. It's getting better already. I'm praying for you. Godspeed.